So virtual reality, VR, is absolutely huge these days. It's an absolutely fantastic way of immersing yourself in a completely unfamiliar landscape, be it real or fictional. I've already done a full video on how to enjoy really immersive VR content right here on YouTube, so go check that out if you want to know more on that. But you might also be interested in creating your own VR content to share with everyone online. And if that's the case, you definitely can't go far wrong with the likes of the Insta360 Evo camera. In its opened up form, the Insta360 Evo resembles a pair of human eyes. In this capture mode, you can shoot photos and over 4K resolution quality video with a real depth of focus. Or if you want a full 360-degree capture, then all you need to do is just fold up the Evo like so. So the Insta360 Evo definitely supports quite a simple design, but it's very, very functional as well. That soft touch exterior feels nice when you're clutching it, and also it seems pretty rugged as well. You can basically chuck this thing in a backpack and forget about it. Don't have to worry about it getting damaged. It's also wonderfully compact as well. You can slip this thing in a pocket and again, forget about it until it's time to whip it out and put it to good use. You can switch between the two different forms, 180 and 360, nice and easy. It's just a push of a button, click it into place and then just slide the lock along, and there you go, you're in 180 form. And then once again, just push a button and then pull it like so, and now you're ready for 360 shooting. The actual controls on the Insta360 Evo are nice and simple as well. You've basically got your on-off switch, which also doubles as your shutter button, and then you can flick between photo mode and video mode with just a quick push of this oval button here. And as you can see, you actually get a set of dual LEDs, which tells you which mode you're in at any specific time. And when it's time to start shooting, all you need to do is just press that shutter button, and the combination of the beeping and the LEDs will tell you exactly what is happening. So for instance, if you start recording a video, you'll notice that the LEDs blink, so at least you know it is actually recording. You're not just stood there like a muppet dangling this thing about the place and it's doing absolutely nothing. And yes, the Insta360 Evo does use micro SD memory cards in order to save all that tasty footage. Now, as you might expect, the Insta360 Evo does come with its very own iOS and Android app. This can give you a view of exactly what your camera is showing at any one time, and it can be used to remotely activate the camera to snap away or shoot video. It's dead easy to use. I've switched into video mode, and now all you need to do is just tap the record button, and it should now be recording a sexy 180-degree video of myself with proper 3D depth sensing and everything. Then when you're done, you can just tap stop, and then you can watch it back on the phone itself. You can trim the video, you can set focal points, do whatever you need to do, and then just hit the download arrow and it will download that clip direct to your phone. And you can then share it, further edit it, do whatever you like. So as you can see, it's all very straightforward stuff. You don't even really need a manual. So that right there is a quick introduction to the Insta360 Evo smart camera. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Insta360 Evo out and about in ye old London town and shoot a buttload of 180-degree and 360-degree VR footage. Now that is going live at the same time as this intro video, so go check that out right here on TechSpert to see this stuff in action. Of course, you will need a proper VR viewer or something on your phone in order to check out the 360-degree footage as it's really intended. So that's all in this part. Go check out that right now, and don't forget to poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech. Cheers everyone, love you!